Hello, fellow collectors. Today we're going to be talking about DC Multiverse Red Tornado. This is a gold label exclusive from McFarlane Toys. Here we have Red Tornado with the tornado effect, a couple of extra hands. On the side, Red Tornado. On the back, Red Tornado is a DC classic. And we see all the versions of the Red Tornado figure, which would be nice to get some of these variations. On the side, Red Tornado DC Classics. So we're bringing up the scale, and we see the scale says this figure weighs 13.8 ounces. So let's get Red Tornado out of the box and see how he looks. Okay, now that we have Red Tornado out of the box, we can take a look at his card. And same artwork as the box. Here is the bio. Please pause to read. And he also comes with a couple of accessories. The first we'll look at is a hand. We have the Red Tornado Whirlwind here. And if this looks familiar, it is the same accessory that we got with Cyclone.
Ta-da!
From the Black Adam movie. There she is. There's her Cyclone. So it looks familiar. Yes? Yes. Alrighty, now that we have put that out of their way, let's take a look at Red Tornado. Now, Red Tornado has a blue cape, soft rubber attached at the back here. Has the same body mold that we have seen before for these characters, which is fine, as long as, it's not exaggerated or overused for different characters of the same mold. And we can see his head goes up and down. Does have the ability to look up a little bit, down a little bit. Good T-pose. Rotation in the arms. Bicep swivel. Double bend in the elbow. Arm, wrists on rotation here. As far as Abby Crunch goes, amazing for this sculpt. Always a favorite. There we have the bend. We have the rotation as well as the split. Very, very good Von Damme style split. No upper thigh bend, but you can rotate the leg a little bit at the hip. We do have the double bend at the knee. No boot swivel, but we do have the swivel here at the ankle as well as back and forth. On his boot, we have the peg holes. So we'll bring in him a little bit closer and look at that nice sculpt for this robot here that has the soul of a man. Nice gold paint here with these legs and boots. And okay, now we'll go ahead and turn him around. Take a look at this cape. It is a blue cape and it has a red inside. So it's very nice. Very nice. Got this red bounding, not inside it's red, but right here on the edge is red. So it's a painted cape. Goes all the way up around his head. Doesn't affect his head movement, which is nice, or his arms. You get a little bit of a constriction here, but other than that, it's fine. Now, standing him up on the Cyclone, we see him here, and here we have Cyclone herself. You can see it does add a little bit to the character. You can switch out the hands, have a little bit different rotations, but it is very nice display piece. So definitely Red Tornado is one of those characters that have been in the Justice League, different other groups. So it's a very nice character. So see the link below for any kind of discounts. And until next time, like, subscribe, and keep collecting.